Okay, right. So we continue with the previous lecture of body plot problem. Okay. So, okay, right. So here the value. So after finding this value, we can calculate the magnitude plot. Next one is the phase plot. The formula is angle of g of j omega equals tan inverse of for the three terms we have to take the angle values. So omega square divided by 0. So minus the tan inverse of 0.2 omega by 1 minus tan inverse of 0.02 omega by 1. So here for all the three terms we have to take the angle value. So omega square divided by 0 is infinity. Tan inverse of infinity is 180 degree. So 180 minus tan inverse of 0.2 omega. For this this is the formula. For this omega value, we have to substitute for various values of omega, we have to calculate the phase values. Then we can easily draw the phase plot. Okay, right. So here already we have various values of frequency 0.5, 5, 50 and 100. So in between that I will take one or two values to form a smooth plot. Okay. So now substituting this formula, substitute zero point 0.5 and find the value of 5. So for zero point 0.5 it is 174. Then for 2, when substitute 2 in this formula and calculate the value of 5. The value of 5 is 156. Similarly, for all the values, substitute in the previous formula and calculate the value of 5. So we are getting 174, 156, 130, 105, 50, 40 and 30. Using this, we can plot a phase plot. Okay. Then so look into how we can how to take the scale. Okay. So this is a similar sheet in the x-axis. So we randomly can choose based on our requirement. So here I am taking this as 0.05, 1.1, 1, 10 like this. X-axis. It is given. It is divided on the top from 0 to 10, 0 to 10, 0 to 10. So you can take a 0.01, 0.1, 1, 10 in terms of 10 scale. Right. So, 10, 100. Oh, good. 0.01, 0.1, 1, 10. Okay, right. Similarly, here the 0, 20, 30, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 like that. So here minus 10, minus 20. It is from US we are getting minus 12 decibels. So both the minus and plus values we are taking that on the left side of the similar sheet. Similar sheet on left side, take it. And right side. In the right side of similar sheet, we need phase values to draw the phase plots. So it is a multiples of 20. I'm taking 60, 80, 100. Positive angles we got a positive angle. So I'm taking only positive angle values on the right side. On the right side. Okay, right. So now started plotting the magnitude value. So 0.5 it is minus 12. Then for 5 it is 28. Then for 50 10 it is 48. Then for 100 also it is 48. So we are getting magnitude plot like this. Similarly, phase plot for from zero point 0.5 to 100 for various values if we draw. So this is my phase plot. This is my magnitude plot, right? But so this magnitude plot is for the value we are taking. We are assuming the value of k is 1. But what is my actual value of k? So actual value of k log 20 log k equals minus 20 log k equals minus 28. So what is my k? Actually k is 0.0398. For this value of k, we have to draw the plot again. So we get this value of k for frequency omega equals 5. So for 5. So at this 5, okay, the magnitude becomes 1. Okay. So for this 28, we have to subtract from this plot. Okay. So for point 0.5, already we have minus 12, minus 28 is 40. For 5, it becomes 0. Then for 50, it is 20. For 100, it is 20. Okay. So draw the magnetic plot again for the correct value of k. The correct value of k is 0.0398. So you have to subtract 28. 28. Subtract is 28. Subtract 28. This is the actual magnitude plot what is required. Okay, so look into this book. The picture I'm taking this from an agricultural book. Look into this picture. Okay, so this is the final answer for this body plot problem. Thank you. Thanks for watching.